California Homestead fam. Are you ready for fall? I sure am. Fall is one of my favorite seasons on the homestead, and one of my favorite fall recipes is pumpkin bread. My mom has been making it ever since I can remember. It is so delicious and moist, and it smells so good. And I'm going to show y'all how easy it is to make. So let's get baking. Here are the ingredients. 3 1/3 cups all-purpose flour, 3 cups sugar, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 4 eggs, 2 cup pumpkin puree. We use fresh pumpkin, but canned pumpkin is fine too. 1 cup oil, 1 cup water, and here's your optional ingredients. 1 cup of walnuts and 1 cup of raisins. In your large bowl, you're going to whisk in all of your wet ingredients. So your oil and water, eggs, and your pumpkin puree. Now simply combine all your other ingredients. Your sugar and all of your seasonings and your flour. And give it a stir. This is when you would combine your walnuts and raisins, but there's a few of us in our family that don't care for them, so we're not going to put them in, and just mix them thoroughly. Now that you have mixed thoroughly, you're going to pour it into your 2 grease loaf pans. You can grease it with butter, coconut oil, or cooking spray. It all works. Now you'll bake it at 350 degrees for about 65 to 70 minutes. We're done. It's that easy to make your own pumpkin bread. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. I'm Joy with the California Homestead fam. You have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next